This is our second day and we got to swap the bike.
Yesterday mixed trails, it was epic, but we got some fall scratch, so we got our support car to bring another bike, and our adventure begins. All good. Mike always. Then be able to visit one ancient temple. But first we gotta cross the river. Joke. Our amazing guide and mechanic gonna swim across the river to bring the boat for us. Yes, it didn't take us long to make it through the river, but a lot more obstacle as this is a request for hard enduro.
I've fallen off a lot today, but we're just gonna pick the bike up and fucking go again.
And that's what we do as a biker, man.